What comes in your mind when you hear the term cloning? If you are like me, then you might be thinking of the Clone Warrior, but Star Wars movie. But now, let me tell you, it is not like the Clone Warrior, but cloning could be done in anything, such as DNA. There could be clone in cell too. There could be even done in this cat. In fact, this is identical twins are clone of each other. That simply means exactly similar things. Right? Is it possible to make a clone of an animal? Sounds pretty sci-fi, right? And it turns out it possible. It was possible. In 1996, there was an experiment proved by Kathy Camblin and proved E.M. Wilmot. An experiment took place in the place Roslin Institution, Scotland, and they could clone Dolly, introducing Dolly. And why Dolly is so special and turn out Dolly is a fine clone of Fine Dorset Eve. And Dolly is a ship pretty much popular. Still now she is pretty much popular because she is fertile and she can give birth to her offspring, and she is exactly same to her mother in terms of genetic makeup. Let us try to understand how Dolly was created. So here is the mother of Dolly, who is Finn Dorset Eve. From Dolly mother, they took the skill cell donor, and from Scottish blackface they took a egg donor. Now they get culture. The somatic cell donor and the somatic cell culture will be used later on. From the Scottish blackfish egg, they took out the nucleus with the help of puppet, and this egg become a enucleated. And now they use the electric shock to fuse the cell type and somatic cells and the egg cell from the blackfish is. Now they will be hybrid cell type. Note this nucleus of the genetic material will be totally similar to the somatic cell donor, that means Finn Dorset, whereas the cytoplasmic material mix up between at two all, and now this cell will finally form an embryo, and the embryo will gradually develop gradually, and embryo reach to the blastocyst stage, and then it is ready to implanted in surrogated mother. In this case, it is implanted to a Scottish blackfish. Progeny was born, and when progeny was born, it was so surprising that the progeny was so similar to the Finn Dorset Eve. They call it Dolly. Dolly is the name of the newborn lamb, and Dolly is a clone of Fine Dorset Eve. Let me remind you, the thin Finn Dorset Eve work like a somatic cell donor, so they are pretty much similar in the genetic makeup. And then Dolly grew up like her mother. She gave rise to a Bonnie, and Bonnie was progeny of Dolly. And again, Bonnie was exactly similar to the Dolly. Bonnie was born out of Dolly, so Bonnie was fully viable. But eventually, at the last, Dolly died.